Good morning, all of you. In the previous lecture, we studied about pole. Now, today the topic is sphere. Okay. Here we draw a structure of a sphere, and this is the center of the sphere. Center of a sphere. And this is the radius of a sphere r. A sphere. This is three-dimensional structure which is locus of all point, which is equidistance. Locus of all point, which is equidistance from a fixed point and fixed point is known as center of a sphere, and fixed line, that is r, is radius of a sphere. Now, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. Surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square. And now next is hemisphere. हेमिस्फीयर स्फीयर का हाफ पार्ट होता है, जैसे कि स्फीयर आपका स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ये थ्री डायमेंशनल सर्किल का थ्री डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है वो स्फीयर होता है. सर्किल इज अ टू डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर बट स्फीयर इज 3D, इसीलिए ये लिख दिया है शुरुआत में कि 3D स्ट्रक्चर है. ओके, जैसा कि इसमें एक फिक्स पॉइंट है और यहाँ से हर जगह की सरफेस की जो है इसका इक्विडिस्टेंस r है, जो कि रेडियस है. ठीक है. और हेमिस्फीयर इसी स्फीयर का आधा पार्ट होता है, हाफ ऑफ द स्फीयर, जस्ट लाइक बाउल, कटोरे के जैसा होता है. एंड दिस इज द रेडियस एंड दिस इज वो इज द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर. ओके, नाउ सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, इसमें दो तरीके से होते हैं सरफेस एरिया. पहला कर्व सरफेस एरिया, जिसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सेकेंड इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया. कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ a sphere and second is total surface area of स्फीयर, और यहाँ स्फीयर नहीं हेमी स्फीयर, दोनों चीज है हेमी स्फीयर, हेमी स्फीयर। कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमी स्फीयर, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमी स्फीयर that is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of heमी sphere that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is surface area of the heमी sphere, top of the surface area of the heमी sphere, that is pi r square. ठीक है, and that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, this is 3 pi r square. Then total surface area of heमी sphere is 3 pi r square. Now again volume of the sphere. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r, and volume of heमी sphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of heमी sphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Some example are the sphere and heमी sphere. Okay. Now surface area and volume. एक एग्जाम्पल करते हैं आपके एक्सरसाइज का, और फिर आगे बात करते हैं. फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया of a sphere with radius that is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, 10.5 centimeter. Radius is given. Solution: r is 10.5 centimeter and surface area of a sphere, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, and the value of r, that is 10.5, and using pi is 22 by 7. 4 into 22 by 7 into r is 10.5 का whole square, and this is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5, and 10.5 is the half of the 21, and this is 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, multiply all of these, and this is 1386 centimeter square, and this is your answer. Surface area of the sphere, that is 1386 centimeter square. Okay. Now the second question. Question number second. Find the surface area of a sphere with radius that is 5.6. Solution. Radius is 5.6 centimeter and surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Okay, and put the value of pi and r, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into r, that is radius of this sphere, that is 5.6 the whole square, and that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6, and multiply all of this, we will get, that is 394.24, that is 394.24 centimeters square, and this is your answer. Okay. Now the third question number 3. Question number 3. Find the surface area of a sphere with diameter is 14 centimeters. Now again, solution. Here diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, radius r is equal to d by 2, and that is 14 upon 2. And radius r is equal to 7 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Now surface area. Surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and this is 4 into pi 22 by 7 into r is 7 square, and that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, and that is 4 into 22 into 7. Multiplying all of these and get 616 centimeter square, and this is the surface area of the sphere. Okay. Start. Now the next question number 4. Again, diameter is given, and diameter is 21 centimeter. Diameter is 21 centimeter. Question number 4. Solution. Diameter is 21 centimeter and radius is d by 2, that is 21 by 2 centimeter. Now surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and this is 4 into 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 7 and r is 21 by 2 the whole square, and that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel from 4 and 7 3 ja, and that is 22 into 3 into 21, and multiplying all of these we will get 1386 centimeter square, and this is your answer. Okay, now the 4 questions are done, and next question will take in next class. Okay, good day.